turns with the tail and rudder. It changes direction in the pilot reads fate also with care, and follows the stars to know how to get there. When it rings, open wide to slow the plane down as it glides inside. The rider watches the sky so clear, and the pilot smiles saying, "The journey's done, my dear." Let's fly, 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 let's sing and learn how the air lifts the plane at every turn. The pilot guides us high up in the sky. We see the world below like stars shining bright. Now it's time to land. The wheels come out and touch the ground safely, and we all shout, "Thank you, pilot," and in 8, 2, tomorrow we'll fly again and learn something new.